Gemini Worktops customer service was so incredible the whole way through. And I think that their knowledgeability just meant that I could be at ease with the decisions we were making. I knew they were going to put the best possible worktop in that they could, and they really helped us the whole way through the design process and installation, and just having that professionalism and knowledgeability behind this made the whole process so much easier for us. At the end of the day, this is a really big decision. Worktops are a large investment in a kitchen design, and they're also something that you want to have last. And so making those design decisions can be a little bit scary,
Yeah,
can't they?
absolutely.
And you know, it's really set in stone at the end of the day, so it makes it quite a scary process. But Gemini took all of that fear away because we knew we were in helpful and knowledgeable hands.
We just want to say a massive thank you to Gemini Worktops. They've done such an incredible job, and yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. Couldn't be happier.
We love it.